Yeah, that's good. Okay, do it! Did you put on the timer?
Ryan, don't touch the table.
Oh no, I didn't put on the timer.
No, it's okay. You can start again.
Okay.
As long as it's recording.
I want to watch if it's recording. Okay, then. Wait, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33.
One is done in 28 seconds.
Nice.
Yeah, that's what you say, 28 seconds.
Where?
That's the bit.
That's a really hard one.
This is not hard,
Oh.
as what a
I gotta
cuber would
zoom
say.
in.
No.
This isn't hard
Like that or
as
zoom in?
That.
Oh, here, we'll zoom in. There you go.
Skip.
1 minute.
Skip.
Fine, leave me alone.
I'm busy singing skibbity songs.
Oh, I see you got that other one. Oh, wow. Minute and 30.
I would never expect a Rubik's Cube video to be on Ryan's channel.
Why?
Because you're not a cuber.
Uh-huh. That's actually a triangle. That's like a different pattern.
Oh, it's
You got it.
DNF.
You got it.
I
Okay, go.
finished these 4.
Okay, you got one more.
One more, the hardest one yet.
This one's not hard.
You're at 2 minutes and like 5 seconds when you finish those 4. Wow. You finished 4 in 2 minutes?
I still bet you that I can't finish that I can finish this in less than 5 minutes.
I bet you can finish it in less than like 3 minutes.
I probably won't finish this in
It will be less than 5 minutes.
Oh,
Less than 4
that's
minutes.
not-
Ryan, leave me alone.
I stopped the timer, so that's called the DNF did not finish.
I got a timer on my phone, so it's okay. Keep going. My phone's timing you. We're at 2 minutes and 43 seconds.
Oh, Elpern.
Oh my
1, 2, 3, 4.